The Chengdu production facility is the global development and manufacturing base of liquid nitrogen container products and liquid nitrogen application equipment for Haier Biomedical. Adhering to the corporate mission of the intelligent protection of life science, Haier Biomedical invests in R&D and innovative technologies and seeks to drive change in the biomedical sector by providing diversified product solutions to meet all end-user needs. With 2 major manufacturing workshops and 18 production lines, including automated wrapping, multi-interface automatic vacuum treatment system, automated horizontal and vertical welding, to name just a few of the advanced manufacturing processes, Haier Biomedical's Chengdu production facility follows strict standards to effectively improve production efficiency and remain true to our original aspirations with great originality to ensure superior product quality. Haier Biomedical has always implemented and strictly followed the ISO 9001 quality management system. We have more than 20 patents, as well as 6 invention patents, over 10 software copyrights, and 22 utility model patents. Our products have passed the European Union CE and MDD certifications. The company has consistently contributed to China's aerospace science and technology with technological innovations. We have developed an innovative pre-cooling air turbo system to ensure the development of the carrier rocket Long March 5 with complete success on the rocket's first flight. Haier Biomedical's Chengdu liquid nitrogen container production facility produces liquid nitrogen biological containers, liquid nitrogen supply systems, sample transfer equipment, monitoring management and software systems, to name just a few. The solutions cover 4 major product ranges, such as the Biobank Solution Series, Liquid Nitrogen Supplement Series, Aluminum Alloy Series, and Non-Standard Product Series respectively. Our high standards, superior safety, information-based and ecosystem-based biobanks are fully equipped with liquid nitrogen supply systems, liquid nitrogen biological containers, and monitoring management and software systems. By providing a comprehensive management solution for samples, we can ensure the completeness and maximize the value of the samples and effectively meet the biobank storage level requirements of 100,000, 1 million, and 10 million respectively. As the most ideal cryogenic liquid nitrogen storage containers with high performance, this product series is mainly used for the storage of liquid nitrogen or the automatic supplement of liquid nitrogen in central laboratories, chemical enterprises, biobanks, and other related sectors. The products can be divided into 5 major series: Smart Series, Medium-Sized Storage Series, Small-Sized Storage Series, High Capacity Series for storage or transport, and Dry Shipper Series for transportation. They feature large capacity, low consumption, high strength, lightweight, small volume, transport stability, and numerous other user advantages. To meet the individual demands of different users, we have created customized services to effectively fit the actual needs of the users. We have developed and manufactured diversified customized products successfully, such as the liquid nitrogen spray system, gas separator, aluminum alloy customized container, nuclear industry thermostat, and the clutch liner cooling system, as key examples. Using a smart environment ecosystem and IoT interconnectivity, Haier Biomedical Chengdu production facility has innovatively created global cloud platform solutions, an intelligent cloud health management center, and wireless transmission of real-time data solutions, and cloud platform unified management, ensuring all the information of the liquid nitrogen containers is visible. At Haier Biomedical, we have launched the innovative intelligent IoT liquid nitrogen containers with SmartCap corks information and data at your fingertips for scientific research and medical treatment, to provide efficient security and technical support for science and technology research and treatment medicine. By virtue of the innovative and diversified product solutions and the parallel development strategy of the IoT technology ecosystem and individually customized services, IR Biomedical provides users with an overall biobank solution centering on the storage of biological samples. Our products are widely used in medical, laboratory, university, scientific research, animal husbandry, food, air transport, military, and other related fields, with products being distributed to more than 120 countries and regions all over the world, as well as many domestic scientific and medical institutions. By focusing on the overall liquid nitrogen container IoT solutions and creating the world's largest Internet of Containers information management platform and the world's best liquid nitrogen container after-sales service network, and by improving the global network layout, we are committed to becoming the world's largest liquid nitrogen container manufacturing service provider.